Hi guys, Mantas here, and today I will show you one solution to the issue I have found recently on MaxBounty. So when you're scrolling down through your MaxBounty offers, sometimes you find they just want specific traffic. And I have found one such offer and I will show you now. They allow only United States traffic. And what happens when you just come in from another country? Boom, you just redirected to the Facebook page. Of course, they are brand page of them, but anyways, you can't see a landing page at all. So what you can do, you have to install Opera. And when you install Opera, you have to open new private window. Then it's gonna be a little VPN icon here on the top. You have to press on that, activate it on, and choose optimal location as Americas. And now we can paste that link from MaxBounty, go back to the MaxBounty, just right click on it, copy link location, go back to the Opera, paste that in, and boom, you're in. You can see now landing page, proper landing page, not redirection to the somewhere else, So we're not driving traffic here, we just want to see landing page properly. So check it out, guys. If you are from other countries, then you're trying to reach it out, there are options. You can choose from optimal location, Europe, Americas, and Asia. So hope you like this hack. Try it now, and I will talk to you soon. Cheers.